just want to understand exactly what is the meaning of probability. If just I'm asking, if we throw a dice, right? If there is a dice, we throw a dice, a regular dice, right? Number appeared on this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? What is the probability that the number is 6? All we know, this is 1 by 6, right? What is the meaning of this 1 by 6? The probability says that in regular dice, unbiased dice, the numbers are written on this dice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? What is the probability to get a 6 is 1 by 6. So what I'm asking, what is the meaning of this 1 by 6?
One of the faces is 6.
Okay. Aryan?
Sir, may
Yes, please, Rishabh.
Sir, I believe it represents the ratio of the number of elements of the set which satisfy the condition used upon
Uh-huh.
total number of
Come
elements.
again, beta.
Sir, ratio of the set which satisfy the condition given upon the total number of elements.
Obviously, you are giving the definition only. Yes, Aryan?
Sir, I guess that determines the ratio between the satisfying conditions and the total condition.
No, you are just saying the another word of Rishabh only.
No, sir, I made my own.
Okay. Yes, Sanjana? Yes, Sanjana?
So it's like the one possibility of like among any side upon all the 6 sides. Like
So that I want to understand now. What is the meaning of this possibility? One possibility means
like whether like which side are we gonna get? Like it might be any one side. So yeah.
okay. Utkarsh.
So one of the situations
What is the
in
meaning of this one of the situation?
a situation in which the number is 6.
No, 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 no. Kavyam.
Out of total 6 possibilities, only one is favorable. The same.
See. Listen carefully, na. Kirsif, once again.
So it means that there's 6 faces on a cube and one of them is 6.
That's it. You have inspected the cube. One side is written as 6 and other sides are written as any other numbers. That's it. So the probability is called 1 by 6. Like what will be the possibility, what the numbers are coming, we are not able to say anything. Only the physical inspection of the things is called the probability, right? The probability is not meaning that something is coming, right? We are not able to say anything, right? So this is the mathematical situation or mathematical condition that we like give the answer when we are saying that the numbers are like after the physical inspection, we are saying that one of the face is showing that is 6 and other faces are not 6. That's it, right? Okay. And Rishabh, what you said, na beta? Aryan, what you said, na? This is the definition of probability. A required number of option upon total number of option, right? Okay. Okay. So, how the recursion will use in this, right? That we are going to do. A coin has probability P of showing hits when tossed. It is tossed n times. Let Pn denotes the probability that no two or more consecutive hits occurs. Right? Then prove that P1 is equal to 1, P2 is 1 minus P square, and Pn is equal to 1 minus Pn minus 1 plus P into 1 minus P into Pn minus 2. May I start?
Sir, 1 second.
Sure, 2 minutes.
Okay.
So P1 is equal to 1, so the first toss is necessarily ahead.
Hmm.
So like, is it given or we have to prove that?
Given
Or
P1 is equal to 1. No, P1 is one, you can prove also. It's always there, na?
सर रेट तो गिवन है ना, P1 तो 1 ही होगा लॉजिक में।
P1 is always one, na?
यस सर।
Hmm.
Oh, yes, yes.
Anyhow, you are not getting two consecutive hits. It's a simple question, and that's the reason I have given you. Okay, you have to prove this, right? And P2, though, obviously, you all are getting P2, na?
यस सर।
P2 to directly you will get P2. Then go for PN.
सर P and
Okay. See, this not this like every time you have to define a function, right? What is Pn, right? And how this Pn will work, right? You have to divide this Pn in such a way that you'll be able to get the answer. Pn is saying that no two or more heads are coming. That's it. But in that case, they are not giving you okay, exactly what is the nth trial, what is the nth toss, right? Concentrate on those, right? अगर ध्यान से देखो तो last lectures में what we have done was only we were concentrating on the last two or three moves, last two or three moves, right? Either you can start with the fixation of first or the last, right? The same thing you have to do here also, right? You have to either start with first or last, right? So the last will be always the case that you will enjoy with. May I start? See, done anyone? Done
yes sir।
anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Rishabh, explain please. Should
Sir,
we start? Utkarsh, Rishabh.
Just a second, sir, almost.
So 1 minute.
Okay. Just 2 minutes. 2 more minutes. Na? Wait.
So one
Okay. Let's start. Start करें? Yes, Rishabh, please. Go ahead.
Sir, like we did for the normal of recursion, I took the nth case. Now, nth case have two possibilities: either it's heads or either it's tails.
Mm-hmm.
If we take it as tail, so then before that, like before that, हाँ, head उसके पहले head आ सकता है और उसके पहले tail भी आ सकता है. So we
Okay.
have now probability of हेड दिया हुआ है तो टेल का हम 1 - p से निकाल लेंगे, probability of being that tail, so 1 - p, एंड उसके पहले जो भी probabilities हो सकती है टेल्स की वो Pn - 1 है हमारे पास.
Means you are saying कि this is P nth. This is the nth one, right? Either this is ending with head or tail, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if this is tail, then this must be, right, maybe anything with head or,
Heads or tails. It can be anything, sir.
right? But in this case,
Sir, here the second last term must be tails, and before that either of the two can
either of the head or,
be heads or tails.
right?
That's why we get Pn minus 2 and 1 minus P for the second last term.
Is this okay, everyone? This is the nth track. This is n minus 1th track. And this is n minus second track, right? So what, like, when I'm saying, okay, let A and B, I'm dividing this by 2. So I'm saying A is nothing but the event of non-occurrence of 2 or more consecutive hits in n toss when the nth toss is tail, right? And B says all of this thing, but nth toss is head. What we require, what is this Pn, probability of n? Pn is nothing but union of A and B. Can I say this?
Yes, sir.
Right, probability of A of B. So this is PA plus PB, right? Minus the PA intersection B is nothing there, right? Either the head or the tail, ended with head or the tail. So this is PA or PB. If this is, and this ending with PA, right? Ending with PA, so what is the meaning of this? Ending with A, right? Ending with A or ending with B. A is tail, na? Sorry. Right? Ending with A. So there must be tail. This is the tail one, right? The probability of getting tail is 1 minus P. And before this tail, this is n minus 1 a trial could be either head or tail, but no two consecutive heads are there. So can I write this as P n minus 1 into P of tails? Right? P of tails and P n minus 1. Is this okay? But in B case, if this is head, this must be tails. And before that, it could be anything. So can I say plus Pn minus 2, P, what is that? Tail and P of head, right? So overall, Pn minus 1, probability of getting tail is, right, it was given, it is 1 minus P plus Pn minus 2 P into 1 minus P. Is this okay?
So that we can prove that Pn is this.
This is Pn. That's it. I hope everyone is getting this.
Yes, sir.
Right? This is the, like, I hope you all are understanding now, okay, how we are going to manage all this thing. Right? This is simple. Only we have to concentrate on last one and then go further for the n minus 1, it's n minus second. Then 100% we are able to establish this thing. Right? And probability you are able to understand this in more easiest way. Kavyam, Same answer, beta.
Yes.
Aryan, okay, beta.
Yes.
Utkarsh, Sanjana,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
anyone want to ask anything? Okay,
So
everyone.
if they have asked the probability of this occurring, then it would be the sum of all probabilities till infinity, right? So
That, that,
how
that,
can we calculate that?
ah, the calculation of this will be depends on the solution of this is called the characteristic solution, right? That there is a process for that. The characteristic solution in this case will be x square is equal to x into 1 minus p. The p is given plus p into 1 minus p. That you have to solve for x. And then there is a method, right? I guess today only or maximum by next lecture we'll start that. Not no worry. Right. So this is the first step, right? When we are trying to be comfortable with the recursion, right? See how to create the recursion formulas, right? Second question on this. A player tosses a coin and is to score 1 point for every head up and 2 points for every tilts. He is to play on until his score reaches or passes n. Reaches or passes n if Pn is the chance for obtaining exactly n points. So that Pn is equals to Pn minus 1 plus Pn minus 2 by 2 and find Pn. Without using, we will go for the recursion, right? But this time I'm giving you the question without knowing how to solve this, right?
Okay, sir.
Done. Or it's okay if you're not finding Pn, just you have to prove this one. Pn is equal to Pn minus 1. What's this? Done. Only you have to form the recursion, right? How to solve, like will like it's a very simple process, right? We like only the algebraic process. Just you have to create exactly how you are getting this recursion. Or from this question only, I'll teach you exactly how to solve that. But up to this, you have to solve next 2 minutes. You have 2 more minutes. Yes, equiprobable. If it's not given, then equiprobable. Both having same chances. If both having same chances means it's coming as half. Head or tail must be with the probability half. Exactly n points we have to get.
Sir, done.
Very good. Curves, curves.
Yes, sir.
सिंपल अभी तक हो जाना था बेटा.
तो ऑलमोस्ट हो गया है.
जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. आर्यन.
Sir, done.
गुड 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 गुड. संजना. काव्यम डन.
Yes.
See. So the question is very simple, right? What they are saying, what they are asking for, right? We have to get n points, right? So this again, I have to fix the nth position, that's Pn. So this will come with after 1 point, or this will come from this after 2 points. If I'm at this position or if I'm at this position. If I'm at this position, right, so I have to get 1 point, so I have to reach to n. If I am at this position, I have to get 2 points to reach at P, right? So only, right, means for this, I have to get head pay. It was giving you 1 point, right? So in this case, you have to get head. In this case, you have to get tail, right? Again, same Pn minus 2 into probability of getting tail plus Pn minus 1 getting head. That will give you Pn, right? So this is Pn minus 2 by 2 plus Pn minus 1 by 2 is equal to Pn. Is this okay? Or we can rewrite this as 2Pn is equals to Pn minus 1 plus Pn minus 2, right? The characteristic, right, characteristic equation of this will be, right? Characteristic equation is formed as this is n minus 2, this is n minus 1, this is n. So you have to take this as 2 into x to the power n is equal to x to the power n minus 1 plus x to the power n minus 2. So from this, I'm getting, if I'll cancel out x to the power n minus 2, from this 2x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Means I'm getting a quadratic equation and the value of either I can factorize this or I can get the value by Sridharacharya formula minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2. So exactly what you are getting, right? 4 by 2 is 2 and 1 minus is minus 1. Right, two values I am getting. One value is 2 and other value is minus 1. So our characteristic one value is 2 and beta other value is minus 1. So our equation an will be, I've taken alpha beta, na? Some x1, x2, alpha into x1 ka power n plus beta into x2 ka power n. This is the characteristic solution, right? And we have to find value of alpha and beta by putting 1, 2, or like few values, the initial few values. So an is equals to alpha into 2 to the power n plus beta into minus 1 to the power n. We have to find value of alpha and beta. What is the value of A1? What is the meaning of A1?
2 alpha minus beta or the
A1 means what is the practical meaning of A1s?
Sir, 1 point he has to score.
Exactly, he has to get a point, 1 point, right? So A1 is 1 only, right? What is the value of A2?
A2 where the person gets 2 points. The value of A2 would be 4 alpha plus beta.
What is the practical meaning of, physical meaning of A2?
So
A2
that means the person gets 2 points.
means how he'll get 2 points, either by tails or either by 2 heads. Are you getting this? Either by tails or either by getting 2 points. So, right, A1, right, he has to get 1 point by the probability 1 by 2. A2, he has to get 2 points, to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This will be 3 by 4, right? A1 and 2, right? And now, this equation is given. So, A1 is equals to alpha, 2 alpha minus beta, the value is half. And A2 is 4 alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 4. Solve for alpha and beta. Do it fast. जल्दी से दो तो क्या values आ रहे हैं? What is the value of alpha and beta?
Sir, alpha is 5 by 24 and beta is minus 1 by 12.
Beta is minus 1 by
Minus 1 by
Oh. One calculation. Please. Again, sorry. One basic calculation. This is 1
That's why
and
उसका 1/2.
this is 1 and minus half. 1 and minus half. So what I'm getting in this? 1 and minus half. If n is equal to 1, alpha beta by 2, n is equal to 2, alpha beta by 4. Once again, you have to do the calculation. Sorry. Get value of alpha and beta.
So this is like the inverse of Newton's
Yeah.
time.
Newton theorem or Cayley-Hamilton theorem or characteristic equation, right? Like बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशन निकालने के लिए ये वर्क करता है.
Sir, alpha is equal to
So
2
alpha
by
is 2
3 and
by
beta
3.
is 1/3.
Alpha is what?
2/3
2 by 3.
Alpha is 2 by 3 and beta
and
is
beta is 1/3.
1 by 3, right? So our an is 2 by 3, 1 to the power n, plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power n. Or I can write down this as 2 into minus 1 to the power n plus minus 1 by 2 to the power n, whole thing divided by 1. This is Pn probability or n. See, this
But
is the
shouldn't it be 1 to the power n?
minus 1 था 1 था 1 था तो 1.
1 था.
Yeah, so then write down, yeah, 1. This is
So
the,
that means we can just write it as 2 plus half to the minus half to the.
I hope you all are getting this, right? If the characteristic equation we have to find if no repeated roots are there. For repeated roots, like we have to, like one more thing we have to remember in that case. But if no repeated roots are there, this is your solution. Yeah, what is this question mark? अब ये तो बताया कि ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन मैट्रिसेस में भी यूज होते हैं. ये न्यूटन फॉर्मूला एक मैंने शायद पढ़ाया होगा, उसमें भी ये यूज होते हैं. एज वेल एज दिस यू कैन यूज इन दिस फॉर n distinct characteristic roots. Is this okay?
Yes.
Right? So this is the formation, right, that we have to. So like one more on this, right? The beautiful part of this is, right, A, B, C, D. You have to just listen this carefully. This A, B, C, D is a tetrahedron. A, B, C, D. With the vertex of a regular tetrahedron, each of whose edges measure 1 meter, right? A bug starting from vertex A, right? Starting from vertex A right? Observe the following rule. At each vertex, it choose one of the three edges meeting at the vertex. मतलब A से it can go to B, or it can go to D, or it can go to C, right? It can go to A to B to C from any of this, right? It can travel, right? At each vertex is chosen one of the three edges meeting at that vertex. Each is being equally likely. Equally likely means like the same manner, it can go to B or C or D, right? And crawl along the edge of the vertex as its opposite end, right? It will start from A and it has to go to the D or B or C. It has to reach at those points, right? Find probability that the bug is at a vertex A when it has crawled exactly 7 meters. Find probability that the bug is at the vertex A when it has crawled exactly 7 meters. Means first you have to make a recursion of n plus 1 move to n moves, right? Take your time. You have 3-4 minutes for this. Take your time. Question is clear, everyone? Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Take your time. Take your time. Think. This is a beautiful question, right? So take your time.
Sir, I've sent the answer.
This 729 is a maximum way, na? But it has to reach to A. Starting from A, it has to reach to A only.
Sir, I've sent the answer.
We have to find the probability.
आवाज नहीं आई ठीक से.
So we have to find the probability.
Probability.
Oh, sorry, sir. Wait. एक चीज गलत है. It's a 1 by something.
This is the complete case, na? This is total number of cases.
Sir, I'm getting 1 by 243. Sir.
1 by 243. Okay. Okay.
Sir, I got.
Should we start, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Discussion start करें क्या?
Yes, sir.
ऋषभ, कृषिव, उत्कर्ष, संजना.
Someone.
Okay. 2 minutes और ले लो बेटा. Aryan, very good. Your answer, I guess it's correct. Right? So just prepare yourself. You have to explain. Na? अब हम कुछ कुछ प्रोसेस कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है बेटा. एक बार फिर सोचो. कुछ अलग तरीके से जाओ. Okay. Let's start.
Sir, should I start?
Sir, last 1 minute.
Okay, start.
Yes, sir. Sir, should I start?
Yes, Aryan. Just
Okay.
just give them 1 more minute, na?
Okay.
You're very excited this time, na? Good, good, very good.
सर बस थोड़ा थिंकिंग लगा फिर उसके बाद हो गया.
Very good, beta. Okay, let's start. Yes, Aryan, please.
Okay, so what I did is that first I took two cases, and first because of that, so let us take that the probability that A is at bug at what is A is Pk, where K is the number of meters. So to get to K meters, we have to take K minus 1 moves, right? So let's note that K is greater than equal to 1 and that K minus 1 crawls. And first of all, the probability after K minus 1 crawls, the bug is at vertex A. So if it has vertex A, so next move the probability will of course be 0 because it has to move to D, B or C. And second is if the bug is not at vertex A, there would be three possibilities, A and the other two vertices. That would mean that on the three vertices, the probability that the bug comes to vertex A is 1 by 3. So what I did is that Pk minus 1 is the cases where it is going to vertex A, and then the rest is 1 minus Pk minus 1, which is not at vertex A. Then after that, I got two cases that one is k is equal to 0 and then 1 by 3 is k is greater than equal to 1. So we need to take out what is P7. So of course, we know that P0 is 1 and P1 is 1 by 3 into 1 minus P0, and then we can just go to P7 and then I got the answer.
Not bad, not bad. Yes, Utkarsh, please go ahead.
So मैंने same logic use किया and I got the recursion that pk is equal to 1 by 3 bracket 1 minus pk minus 1 if k is greater than or equal to 1.
Okay.
So
So that's a very good, nice way to solving this, right? What they are saying, like the probability, the insect or the bug is at vertex A after crawling n meter, right? Is right defined by the relation a n plus 1 is equal to 1 minus a n, right? 1 minus a n means it at n minus 1th position, it must not be at A. So it may be at B or C or D. So the chances are 1/3 of this. For n minus 1 is it has to reach to A, right? It has to reach to A, the move, right? A to B, B to C. So 100% it must not be at the nth move. It must not be at A. Then only the bug is able to reach at A. Is this okay? Maybe it is at B or C or D. Right? So last move, when it has to go, when we are saying like it may be at B or C or D, right? It has to reach to A. So 100%, we can say we have three options for A, B, C, and D, right? So at this bug is at one of the vertex, right? So A n plus 1 is equal to 1/3 of A1 minus an, right? Is this okay? Now we have to find the values, right? Like A1, like after 1 meter, it has to be at A. Not possible. What is A2, right? So A2 is obviously, from this I can find A2, right? That's 1 by 3 only. A3, again, we know that A3 is 1 by 3 and 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 9. And so on you can find, right? So I hope Utkars and Aryan is getting this.
So why did you take 1 minus an by 3? I just took an by 3 because in the previous turn, the bug would be at
What, what,
either of
what you are defining as AN? What is
pro-
AN?
probability that the bug reaches a position, a spot
A spot, what?
after n moves.
What is spot?
Uh, so any one of the four.
But
Acha, oh, only the A.
it
Okay.
has to reach to A, right? So we are saying ki, okay, at the seventh step, right? Seventh step, it has to reach to A. That's only possible when it is not at the sixth step, it is not on A,
Yes, sir.
right? So this must be 1 minus N. Okay.
Yes.
Prasib, you want to ask something?
No, sir, understood.
Sanjana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Understand this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right? So, like, lot many cases are there, but just we have to remember like how to create the recursion with the probability or without probability, right? One of the best question, like I love this question, and maybe this is a little bit, right? Difficulty level of the question would be more in this case, right? So few more questions we have to practice. Just give me 1 minute, right? Like so with the probability and with PNC both, right? We can create some recursion formula or recursion uh, relations, right? How to solve the recursion relation is not a big deal, right? How to create the recursion relation is a big deal, right? And I hope that you all like little bit comfortable with this, right? Now we can say we have to write down the number sequence. We have to write down a number sequence of length n consisting solely of the number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 with no more than 3 ones in a row and no more than 3 twos in the row, right? Just you have to create a recursion relation on this. You have to write down the number sequence with ones or twos, right? Such a way, no more than 3 ones or no more than 3 twos are. Take your time. You have 3 to 4 minutes again. Take your time. Very good, Reserve. Yes, Utkarsh. Done. Could we start?
Yes, sir.
Kavyam, Sanjana, Krisev, Utkarsh, Aryan.
Yes.
Done. Kavyam.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Maybe a very simple thing you'll get in this. Done, everyone? Done, everyone? Krisev? Done, beta?
So 1 minute.
Sanjana? उत्कर्ष? लास्ट लेक्चर की एक बार, लास्ट लेक्चर जो किया था उसको एक बार अगर दिक्कत हो रही है तो उसको चेक करो. Should we start?
Yes, sir.
Or we can keep this for homework, right? You want to try you all.
Sir, we have done exact same question last class.
Almost same.
So it was the exactly same question.
Yes.
Just A and B.
Yes. Very good, very good. Exact same question. So what was the relation there for Sn?
Sn minus 1, Sn
Sn
minus
minus 1, Sn minus 2 plus Sn minus 3.
Could you explain this? Why this is coming?
Sir, we first tried for A nth term if it's A or if it's B. Then we get that for A nth term, we get that the before term n minus 1 term can be a or b. Now n minus 2 can be a or b again. So we get n minus 1, n minus 2. Then
Well,
for b also we get the same. So by adding both probably, I mean adding both recursions, we get the sum of the recursions.
not bad. Or you can start with same as the last is either is ending with 1 or 2, right? So if this is ending with 1, right? So we have to take a case when this is not ending with 1, this is not ending with 1, right? So directly you can get the solution in SN also, right? But we have already studied that key if we have to write down for AN, obviously this is AN minus 1 plus, sorry, BN, AN minus 1, AN minus 2, AN minus 3, and AN as, right? So if you'll add this, so you'll get, so this, you'll get this one. I hope we have done this one, na?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good, everyone. Right. So one last question on this. I'm giving you the same type of question what I have given you. Right. Last lecture we have done one of the question with this. Right. This was the question. This was the situation. Right. 1 cross n I have to fill with either 1 cross 2 or 1 cross 1. Just I'm changing a situation little bit. I'm giving you the same question, but I'm changing this as 3. This is 1 cross 3. This is 1 cross 2. Right? Now you have to make a recursion on this. I hope you all are understanding what is the question, right? This 1 cross n bar we have to fill with 1 cross 1 or 1 cross 3, right? For that, we have to make the recursion. A simple question for concept clarifying, like this is a very, very, very important question. So, like if we are able to create something in this now, so means we are on the right track. Very good, Kavyam. Of course, very good, beta. That's it. Ye mara. Very good. Good. Now you're understanding. Good, good. receive, fast बेटा. Receive, Sanjana. अरे 100% राइट. यार क्या मजाक कर रहा, तू गलत करेगा. वेरी गुड. तेरे को कंसेप्ट पकड़ में आ गया बहुत कुछ. एक दो मैं, सॉरी मैं बोल दिया, लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. एक दो क्वेश्चन और मैं करवाऊंगा अभी. राइट, कंसेप्ट मेरे को क्लियर करवाने हैं. दैट्स इट. ऋषभ डन.
सर एक लास्ट एलिमिनेट करने में थोड़ा दिक्कत जा रहा है, कहीं
एलिमिनेट
पे
नहीं
मैं
करना,
अटक
मेरे
रहा
को
हूँ.
केवल रिकर्सन चाहिए बेटा. ओनली वी हैव.
हाँ सर वो रिकर्शन ही बना रहा हूँ, कहीं पे मैं कुछ तो सिली मिस्टेक किया हूँ, बहुत गंदा, मैं
नहीं
जान रहा
नहीं
हूँ.
नहीं, पॉसिबल नहीं है सिली मिस्टेक इसमें. सी, मैं
यस सर.
फिर से रिलैक्स होके फिर से रिलैक्स, बी रिलैक्स, बी रिलैक्स, बी रिलैक्स. a bit, if. वेरी गुड. नॉट बैड. थोड़ा सा काउंटिंग को, थोड़ा सा यू हैव टू सी द काउंटिंग. So this, if I'm ending with this, right? I'm saying कि an is equals to, so I'm ending with there, so I have to put 1 cross 1, means this is a n minus 1. Is this okay? Or if I'm ending there, then I have to put 1 cross 3 1, right? Means I have to put what? A n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4,
n-4.
n minus.
अच्छा सर 3 होगा, समझ गया समझ गया.
1 minus 3. That's it. Are you getting this, everyone?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Right? Simple one, na? One last, sorry, but one last, one last. This time I have 1 cross 2 and 1 cross 3. And I have to fill in 1 cross n, right? Right up. Very good. Reserve. Very good, Sanjana. बहुत अच्छे बेटा. Very good. Lightning speed. Very good.
So what's the next question which you give?
This is 1 cross 2 and 1 cross 3. You have to put in 1 cross n, right? Then for this, you have to write down the recursion. Very good, Kavyam. Very good, Utkarsh. The same. ऋषभ, एक बार चेक करो अपने आंसर को बेटा।
सर पता है गलती क्या, मैं काउंटिंग भूल गया हूँ।
हाँ, गंदी वाली गलती है, ऐसी नहीं होनी चाहिए।
यस सर।
सी, मैं राइट? If you have to write down an, so you can start with this place or this place, because we have a tiles of 1 cross 2 or 1 cross 3 only, right? So I hope everyone have written the answer, right? So I'm also writing, right? Just check. A n minus 2 plus a n minus 3. I hope 2 and 3 na? Why 5? Either you have to like end with 3, right? Or you have to end with 2. Then only you have to put 1 cross 2. Either you have to put 1 cross 2 or 1 cross 3. Is this okay? Right?
Yes.
And sorry, but this 100%, this will be the last one. You have 3 types of, one is 1 cross 1, one is 1 cross 2, one is 1 cross 3, right? नहीं, अरे no, there is some problem in this. Like at third position, you can get 2 1 and 1 2 both.
Yes sir.
So this is not the same question. That's the reason I hold it up. Like I have to wait for this. Like or I have to give, right? So I'm giving you this 1 cross 4 and 1 cross 3. Then you'll be able to write it down. This 1 cross 4 and 1 cross 3. For counting only, I'm giving you. So you have to write down an. Now this is coming. Very good, very good. Now you understand. Okay. So I hope now. Very good, very good, Sanjana. Very good, Kasev. Utkarsh, write down, have them. Okay. So I hope you all are comfortable with this now,
Yes sir.
right? Okay.
Yes sir.
So next lecture we are like, what we'll do? I guess it will take not more than hour or something. So how to solve these type of equations, right? So numerical value, how to find on that we'll do. So that will be the completion of this. Then we'll do the questions and questions and questions, right? Then we'll go further. Okay. Okay, everyone.
Yes sir.
Chalo,
Yes.
thank you.